Thinking about switching to a new carrier but want to keep your current AT&T number? You'll need something called an AT&T Transfer PIN to move your number successfully. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to get your AT&T Transfer PIN, whether you want to do it by phone or online. What is an AT&T Transfer PIN? An AT&T Transfer PIN is a temporary 6-digit code that allows you to move your number to another carrier. It's a security feature that helps protect your number from unauthorized transfers and SIM swap fraud. If you don't provide this PIN, your new carrier won't be able to complete the port out request. How to get your AT&T Transfer PIN. Here's how to get your AT&T Transfer PIN quickly by calling from your AT&T phone. Step 1. Dial port, which is *7678, and press the call button. Step 2. Verify your AT&T account by entering your account PIN, which is typically a 4-digit security code you set up. Step 3. Press 1 on the keypad to generate a new AT&T Transfer PIN. Step 4. You'll receive an automated text message from AT&T containing your transfer PIN. How long is the AT&T Transfer PIN valid? The AT&T Transfer PIN is valid for 4 days after it's generated. If you don't port your number within those 4 days, you'll need to repeat the process to request a new PIN. Final tips before switching carriers. Make sure your AT&T account is active before requesting a transfer PIN. If your line is suspended or canceled, you'll need to reactivate it first. If you're using your current device on a new network, ensure it's unlocked. Click the link in the description to read the full guide now. Now you know how to get your AT&T Transfer PIN. Once you have your PIN and your account number, you're ready to switch to a new provider and keep your current number. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out our other tutorials on switching carriers and optimizing your mobile setup. Thanks for watching.